Discover self-healing using the potential of your own body. International Yoga Day 2021.
Yoga is giving us not only the physical strength, but also mental balance and emotional stability to confidently negotiate the challenges before us.
Greetings to all yoga enthusiasts all over the world. Yoga is not just a set of exercises, it is a part of self-discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body.
Yoga is the perfect health and wellness module as it is comprehensive and holistic in its nature. Yogic principles of wellness help to strengthen and develop positive health, enabling the individuals to withstand stress and its consequences better.
Yoga has multiple solutions. Solutions to prevent diseases, solutions to recover quickly, solutions to get over anxiety and stress related issues.
Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline. It's an art and science of healthy living. Yoga brings harmony between mind and body, man and nature. The ultimate aim of yoga sadhana is to overcome all kinds of suffering, leading to a sense of freedom.
Namaskar. Hello and welcome to our special series on yoga. In this series, leading up to the International Day of Yoga, we try and understand different aspects of yoga. In the show today, our focus is on stress and its management through yoga. The problems of a modern lifestyle are well known and documented. We all know that. Unfortunately, in the age that we live in, stress is an inescapable reality, whether it be a student preparing for his exams, a working mother juggling multiple tasks at home and at work, or the continual rat race of corporate world. Everyone seems besieged with stress and stress-related ailments. So much so that it is often described as a silent killer. The common yoga protocol for stress management has been designed to address these very issues to fight stress and find peace in this chaotic world we inhabit. Let's go ahead and find out more.
Stress is the reality of our life. It may be work-related performance anxiety, stress related to climatic conditions, pollutions, or issues in our domestic lives. We are stressed one way or the other. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has expressed concern regarding the consequences of stress. Stress, along with the depression, has been designated as silent killer. The best possible scenario for us then is effective stress management, and this is where yoga plays a vital role. Yoga relaxes our body, helps to improve the breathing capacity and calm down the wandering mind. Regular yoga practice helps us to fight stress and its consequences, and that helps to find a peace. People who are at peace with themselves are at peace with others too. Such people build harmonious society, therein the nation.
Stress is the body's autonomic response to any physical or mental demand placed on it. It is a subjective and unpleasant feeling of distress. Every one of us, irrespective of our age, sex, education, occupation, socioeconomic status, whether live in rural or urban areas, face stress. Stress affects our body, mind, behavior in many ways, and everyone experiences stress differently. It adversely affects a wide range of health conditions. Practicing yoga every day will help to get rid from stress. Yoga, including asana, pranayama, and meditation, is the most comprehensive approach to fighting stress and help to acquire the sense of peace and calmness of mind. Stay happy and healthy.
Sangachadvam samvadadvam Sangachadvam samvadadvam Samvo manansi janatam Samvo manansi janatam Deva bhagam yatha purve Deva bhagam Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate.
Stand with feet 2 inches apart. Keep your hands on the waist. Exhale, slowly move your head forward and try to touch the chest with the chin. Inhale, slowly move your head backward in the comfortable manner. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Exhale, move your head forward. Inhale, move your head backward. Exhale, move your head forward. Inhale, move your head backward. Inhale and bring your head in the center position. Right and left neck bending. Exhale, bend your head slowly to the right. Inhale, bring your head to the center position. Exhale, bend your head slowly to the left. Inhale, bring your head to the center position. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale to the center. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale and bring your head to the center position. Bring your arms down and relax. Shoulder stretch. Stand with the feet 2 to 3 inches apart. Keep the fingers together, pointing downwards. Inhale, move your both the arms from the side above the head with palm facing outward. Exhale, bring them down. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Relax. Stand with the feet 2 to 3 inches apart. Inhale, bend your elbows and interlock the fingers. Exhale, turn the palms outward. Inhale, stretch the arms up over the head. Raise the heels of the floor and balance on the toes. Bring the heels down and put your palms on the head. Relax. Urdhva Hastottan Asana. Inhale, stretch up your palms over the head. Exhale, slowly bend to the right side from the trunk. Maintain the posture for 2 to 3 seconds. Inhale, come up to the center position. Exhale, slowly bend to the left side from the trunk. Maintain the postures for 2 to 3 seconds. Inhale, come up to the center position. Bring your arms down and relax. Ardha Chakra Asana. Stand with the feet 2 to 3 inches apart. Support the back at the side of the waist with the fingers pointing forward. Try to keep the elbows parallel to each other. Drop the head backward, stretch the front side of the neck. As you exhale, bend backward as per your capacity. Inhale and slowly come up in the starting position. Exhale, bring your arms down and relax. Prasarit Padottanasana. Stand with the feet 2 feet apart. Inhale, slowly raise your arm upward from the front. Stretch up the body from the waist. Exhale and bend forward until both the palms rest fully on the ground between the feet. Stretch the back and make it straight. Inhale, come up slowly to the upright position and stretch the arm above the head. Exhale, slowly bring your arms down and return to the starting position. Relax. Ardha Ustrasana. Exhale, bend your knees and sit on your knees. This is Vajrasana. Stand on the knees. Place your hands over the buttocks with fingers pointing downward. Keep the upper arm in a line. Inhale, bend the head back, stretch the neck. Exhale, bend the trunk backward as much as possible. Maintain the posture for 2 to 3 breaths. Inhale, come back to the kneeling position. Exhale, sit in the Vajrasana and relax. Spread both the knees wide apart. Keep the big toe touching each other. Place the palms between the knees. Exhale, bend forward with the arms stretched out. Keep the arms parallel and maintain the posture for 2 to 3 breaths. Now, move towards the Bhujangasana. Shift your weight towards your shoulders and lie down on the ground. Place your chin on the ground and keep your knees and feet together. Slowly lift your head and chest up to the navel region. Keep the elbows parallel and maintain the final position for 2 to 3 breaths. Exhale, bring the head down and rest your chin on the ground. Now, move towards the Shashakasana. Lift your body up and shift your weight towards your shoulders. Sit on your knees. Spread both the knees wide apart and keep big toe touching each other. Place your palms between the knees. Close the knees together and relax in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Spread the knees wide apart. Inhale, stretch your arms over your head and fold them from the elbow and place the palms on the alternative shoulders. Maintain the final position for 2 to 3 breaths. Now inhale and raise the arm up. Exhale, bring the arms down. Close knees together and relax in Vajrasana. Bend both the legs at the knee and bring the heels near to the buttocks. Keep your feet and knee few inches apart. Hold both the ankles as per your convenience. Inhale, slowly raise your buttocks and trunk up as much as you can to form a bridge. Maintain the final position for 2 to 3 breaths. Exhale, slowly bring your hip down and straighten the legs in the supine position. Legs apart, palm facing upward and relax. Lie comfortably on the ground with legs stretched out. Hand placed by the sides, palm facing upward. Keep the eyes closed. Consciously relax your whole body and become aware towards the natural flow of your breath. Remain in this position until you feel relaxed. Bring your legs together. Open your eyes. Make a pillow of your left arm, turn towards left. With the support of your right arm, come in the sitting position. Place both the palms on the knees. Sit comfortably in any meditative posture. Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Swastikasana. Place both the palms on a knee in Jnana Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Straighten your back and head. Slightly chin up. Now start 20 times active and rapid inhalation exhalation with both the nostrils. Inhale. Exhale completely and relax. Kapalabhati. Sit comfortably in any meditative posture. Straighten your back and neck. Inhale deeply through both the nostrils. Expel the breath with forceful contraction of lower abdominal muscles. Let the inhalation be passive. Let us begin with first round of Kapalabhati with 20 strokes. Exhale deeply and relax. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale deeply and relax. Keep the left palm on the left knee in Jnana Mudra and right hand should be in Pranayam Mudra. Close the right nostril with the right thumb and exhale completely. Now inhale through the left nostril. Then close the left nostril and exhale through right nostril. Now inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril with the thumb and exhale through the left nostril. This is one round of Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Repeat 4 more rounds. Inhale through the left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale through the left nostril. Bring your right arm down on the knees and adopt the Jnana Mudra. Relax. Bhramari Pranayam. Keep your head and neck straight, both hands in Jnana Mudra. Keep your eyes closed. Close your ears with your index fingers. Relax your whole body. Inhale deeply through the nostril. Exhale slowly and making the humming sound. Inhale. 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 Place both the palms on a knee in Jnana Mudra. Keep your back and your neck straight. Relax your shoulders. Adopt the Dhyana Mudra, palm above the palm. Tip of the thumb should touching each other. Slightly upturn your face. Be conscious your breath and let them flow freely. Just observe the flow. Be conscious towards your surroundings. Shanti Patha. Bring your both the arms in Pranam Mudra close to the chest. Inhale one Omkar 3 times Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your arms down and place your palm on your knees. Now gently open your eyes.
Yoga helps reduce stress as it promotes relaxation, which is the natural opposite of stress. It benefits 3 aspects of ourselves that are often affected by stress: our body, mind, and breathing. It goes beyond the boundaries of age, gender, caste, creed, religion, and nations. Practicing yoga daily will truly relax the body and mind, not unlike a refreshing shower. Yoga is the best stress buster there is. But we don't need to feel stressed out to do yoga. Make it an indispensable part of your life, and sooner rather than later you will see its positive effects and perceptive changes in your health and general well-being. That's all we could pack in this episode. Hope you benefited from it. Take care and stay safe. Namaskar.